Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I am Vaishali. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for future videos. The charcoal peel-off mask is the hottest trend these days. Many of us are buying from the market. We all know it's really expensive and hardly we can use 4 to 5 times. So I thought, why not make it at home? It's really easy to make, inexpensive, and also give us the same result that we get it from the ready-made one. Those who don't know about the charcoal peel-off mask, the charcoal peel-off mask help us to remove dirt, dead skin cells and excessive oil from our pores. Also, it helps us to remove blackheads and whiteheads around our nose area. Additionally, it helps us to deeply clean our pores and tighten our skin. So let's see how to make this charcoal peel-off mask. We need 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder, half tablespoon of charcoal powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of water. We need to mix it very well and microwave for 10 seconds. So you can see now that our charcoal peel-off mask is ready. I already microwave for 10 seconds and allow it to cool down, and while it cool it down, you have to take a napkin and then you have to dip it into hot water and you have to give a 2-minute massage so that your pores can open up. And after that, you have to start applying the mask. Apply a thick layer so that it's easy to remove. So as you can see now that I have applied the charcoal peel-off mask all around my face, and you have to let it dry completely. It will take around normally 30 minutes and then after 30 minutes I will show you how to peel it off. So after 30 minutes my peel-off mask is totally dry. Now I will start peeling off. You have to peel it very slowly. Make sure you peel it off upward direction. So after washing your face, take 1 ice cubes and massage it for 1 minute. So please try this DIY at home and share your result with me in the comment section below. Please like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.